हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू कॉमर्स लर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप? काइंडली लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर to my channel, that is the Commerce Learning. So today we are going to learn about taxable income. An Indian resident with taxable income in the previous year is supposed to pay income tax on his taxable income at the rate fixed by the Finance Act for that year. It is worth mentioning that as per the Finance Act 2013, incomes up to rupees 2 lakhs are not subject to taxation for those below 60 years of age. The calculation of taxable income is done for the individual who is an Indian resident. The first step is to calculate the taxable income from each source under each particular head. The different heads of income are income from salaries, income from house property, profit and gains of business or profession, income from capital gains, income from other sources. So दोस्तों, these are the calculations of the taxable income done for the individual under different heads. So then the taxable income under each head has to be calculated. In doing the same, allowances or disallowances have to be accounted for. The revenue expenses which have been incurred have to be deducted from the receipts and profits. So after calculating the gross total income, the relevant deductions under the various sections like ATC, ATD have to be made, which finally give us the total taxable income. So guys, we learned about taxable income today. You can go through my slide and learn brief about this. Thank you, and don't like, subscribe and share. Thank you.